Okay, so which one was the homework questions? Can you please remind me out of these questions?
Number 9.
Okay,
Number 17.
okay,
Number 14.
okay,
Number 18.
okay,
And number 20.
okay. So what's your answer for
Number
number 20?
It was kind of tricky, so I did not finish.
Okay, and your answer for 9, question number 9?
I got M was 0.25 and C was -4.
Okay, that's correct. And for number 17?
M was -4 and C was 5.
Okay, so okay, let me check this. So 4x minus y is equals to 5. And if I m is 4, so and c is 5. Okay, okay. So minus y is equals to 5 minus 4x. And if I want to remove the negative sign from here, so I have to multiply negative sign on both the sides. So sign of each term will be changed. This will become positive 4x and minus y. So the value of the gradient is correct, but the value of y-intercept, that is c, this is incorrect. It will be -5 instead of +5.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, and your answer for question number 14?
I got M equals to -3 and C is equal to -4.
Yes, that's correct. And answer for question number 18?
M is equal to 1.5 and C is equal to -4.
Please repeat the value of C.
-4.
Okay, okay, let's check this. So it will be 3x minus 8 is equals to 2y. Yeah, it's correct. And you haven't finished question number 20, right?
No.
Okay. So let's do this. So y minus 4. So we'll transpose this -4 on the other side. So y is equals to 4. And if I compare this with the standard form, that is y is equals to mx plus c. So here there is no x term. So it means the value of the gradient is 0. And c is the constant term that is present. So the value of constant term will be 4. So m is equals to 0 and c is equals to 4.
Okay. That just confused me there.
Okay, and have you done this one also, question number 8?
No.
Okay, please do this now and tell me the values.
I got M is equal to 2 and C is equal to 0.
Yeah, that's correct. And I have written another question. Please do this also. This one. Y minus 23 is equals to 0.
I got M is equal to 0 and C is equal to 23.
Yeah, that's correct. Correct. Okay. Okay. So, just a second. Mm. So you have shared the topics which haven't done in your school or so there was a topic or chapter Cartesian coordinates in 2 dimensions, which you have
Uh,
shared.
yeah.
So do you have soft copy of that? Okay. Let me write. You have written this Cartesian coordinates in 2 dimensions.
Oh no, those ones, the one that I sent last are the topics that we did not do yet.
Yes.
Mm.
And the first ones were those topics which you have already covered, right?
Yes.
So there were so many topics. So out of these topics, do you have any doubt? Because you have told me only money and finance in which you are facing some problems. And out of these chapters, which you shared in the first picture, are there you are facing any difficulty or anything, or you are good at those chapters?
So in the first term, I was struggling with some for algebra and indices.
So just a second.
Algebra,
Yes. Now please, algebra. Okay.
yes, and indices.
Algebra and indices. Okay.
Yes. And limits of accuracy.
Limits of accuracy.
Yes.
Okay. Sure. Because the chapter which I have started, that is coordinate geometry, that those topics will be found in this chapter of your book, Cartesian coordinates in 2 dimensions. So I just want to confirm that. So have you received the the schedule of the classes for tomorrow also, Jasmine?
No.
Okay. Okay. So now there are different forms of the equation. So the first is that if equation is of the form x is equals to a means it can be any number. It can be positive or negative, like x is equals to 2 or x is equals to minus 2 or x is equals to 100, anything. If x is equals to any number. So, and if we have to draw the graph of such equations, so all such lines will be parallel to the y-axis like this one. The graph of such equations will be a vertical line which will be parallel to the y-axis. And it's just opposite that y is equals to b. If y is equals to any number, be it positive or negative, then in such case, the graph will be parallel to the x-axis. You can see that it is parallel to the x-axis.
Okay, I'm done now.
Yeah. So have you drawn the graphs also of these questions?
Yes. Yes, I.
Okay. Okay. Then next is if equation is of the form y is equals to mx. So y is equals to mx means there is no y-intercept because y is equals to mx plus c. In that equation, we have y-intercept, and if let's say that the y-intercept is 0, then the graph of such equation will pass through the origin. And if y is equals to mx plus c, so then the lines will have gradient and they will intersect at the y-axis because there is a y-intercept which is present.
Mm. Okay, I'm done now.
Okay. And now it is that how to find the equation of a line. So when the gradient is given and coordinate of one of the point is given, now we have the formulas for gradients covered. Now, if we have to form the equation of the line and the gradient is given as m and coordinate of one of the point is given through which the line is passing, then we have to use this formula m is equals to y minus y1 over x minus x1, and in the next step they have just cross multiplied. So just remember this one, that m is equals to y minus y1 over x minus x1, or you can remember that as well, that y minus y1 is equals to m x minus x1. Now you have to substitute the values only. You will get the equation of the line.
Okay. I'm done, sir.
Yes. Okay. Yes. So firstly, just yeah, I do question number 5. You have to form the equation of the line, and you can see that the line is passing through one point and the gradient is given. So you have to use the formula which we just covered.
Sir. So,
Yes.
so because in the previous one it was y1 and minus y2, so here it's only 2 and
So you are saying that the
the
earlier we had a for formula that y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, right?
yes.
Yes. So that was the formula when the line was passing.
Hey students! Interested in boosting your studies? Enroll now at Keddy Edtech. We offer online tuition for the Cambridge curriculum, grades 6 to IGCSE, AS, and A-level. Start learning with us today.
To the 2 points, and if we have to calculate the gradient. But here a line is passing through only one point. And so in that, and we have to form the equation of the line. So in that case, the formula is y minus y1 is equals to m x minus x1. So gradient is 3, and this is the value of x1 and this is the value of y1. So y minus y1 is 11, gradient is 3, x minus x1 is 2. So if I multiply, so that will be 3x minus 6, or I can write y is equals to 3x minus 6 plus 11. That will be y is equals to 3x plus 5. So the equation will always be in this form: y is equals to mx plus c. So there will be a variable y, there will be a variable x that will be present. So x and y, there is no need to put values for x and y. Only we have to just substitute the values of gradient and x1 and y1 when the line is passing through one point.
Mm.
If there is any doubt in this one, please let me know.
Yeah, I understand, sir.
Okay, so now try question number 4. 4 and 2. Let me erase this one. Yes, 2 and 4.
Yeah, I'm done, sir.
Okay, so what's your answer for question number 2?
I got y equals to 2x plus 9.
Okay, let me check. Okay, and answer for the question number 4.
Y equals to 2x minus 1.
Y is equals to 2x minus 1. Yes, please check your answer for the question number 2 again. Fourth one is the correct. I think there is slight mistake in question number 2. Not given. So how to find equation of the line in such cases? So yes, so this is the formula when the line is passing through the 2 points. See, what we have done. Let me explain this. So y minus y1 is equals to m x minus x1. This was the equation of the line when the line is passing through the 1 point. And as you have told me that we have one formula also, that m is equals to y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1 when line is passing through the 2 points. So what they have done, instead of this m, they have used this formula y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, and this all of the term remains same. they have just substituted the formula of the gradient when the line is passing through the 2 points. Okay, so now, yes, please try question number 9. You have to form the equation. Answer should be in the form of equation. So, okay, I'm writing the formula. Have you used this formula?
Mm.
Or you have used a different one? Yes,
So,
Jasmine. You have used a different one?
no, it's just got confused a bit.
Okay. Okay.
So I got 3 minus 5.
Okay. 3 minus 5.
Yes.
Okay. Just confirm me that have you used this formula which I have written?
Yes.
Okay. So in place of this y, what value have you substituted?
Just y.
Okay. So there should be an answer. In your answer, y should be present then because its value is not substituted. So y should be there and x should be there. So answer should be in form of x and y. Okay, let me substitute the values, no issues. Y minus question number 9. So y1 is 4, y minus 4 is equals to y2, that is 7 minus 4 over x2, which is 6 minus 5, and x remain as it is, and x1 is 5. So now solving this, 7 minus 4, 3, 6 minus 5, 1, and x minus 5. So y minus 4 is equals to 3x minus 15, or I can say y is equals to 3x minus 15 plus 4, that is y is equals to 3x minus 11.
Okay, now I understand.
Okay, so now please try question number 11, the last.
I got the answer.
Okay, what's your answer?
Y equals to 1 over 3 x minus 3.
X minus 3.
Yes.
Okay, let's check. So y1 is minus 3, so it will become positive 3. Y2 is minus 1 plus 3. X2 minus x1, that is 9 minus 3. So x minus x1, that is x minus 3, correct. So y plus 3 is equals to 2 over 6 x minus 3. So that will be 1 over 3. So y is equals to x over 3 minus 1 minus 3. So it will be x over 3 and minus 4. Okay, so in the last term there is some issue. Okay, so have you multiplied this inside the bracket, or how have you done?
I multiply inside the bracket.
So you multiplied by 2 over 6 or by 1 over 3?
2 over 6. I first
Okay, so yes.
multiplied 2 over 6 into x minus 3, and then I got 2x over 6 minus 6, and then I simplified the 2 over 6x, and then I got 1 over 3x minus 6, and then
So
and then
how have you got 2? Okay, so you have 2 into x over 6 minus 2 over 6 into 3, right? Because we have 2 over 6 x minus 3. Firstly, 2 over 6 will be multiplied by x, and then it will be multiplied by negative 3. So 2 over 6 into x, and then 2 over 6 into 3. That will be the first step. Then 2x over 6, and that will be 2 into 3, 6 over 6. So if I write this in the simplest form, so that will be x over 3 and 6 over 6, that is 1. So x over 3 minus 1. And then on the left hand side, we have positive 3. We have to transpose that on the right hand side. So that will become a negative 3. So negative 3 and negative 1, that will make negative 4.
okay. I understand now.
Okay, is there any confusion in this one? If you have any confusion, please tell me. I will explain again.
No, I understand now.
Yes, yes. When you were not audible, your video was frozen. Now I think it's working fine. I was asking that if is there any doubt in this one?
Oh no, I understand. I understand now. I understand.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
okay. So and now try this question number 10.
Hey students! Interested in boosting your studies? Enroll now at Keddy Edtech. We offer online tuition for the Cambridge curriculum, grades 6 to IGCSE, AS, and A-level. Start learning with us today.
I got the answer.
Okay, what's your answer?
Y equals to negative x plus 5.
Okay, let's check. So first I'm writing the formula. So now y1 is positive 5, y2 is 2, x2 is 3, and x1 is 0. So that will be minus 3 over 3, negative 1, x minus 0s, or I can write this as minus x, or y is equals to minus x plus 5. Yeah, that's correct. Correct. Okay. So now we have covered the equations of a line. So let's say that y is equals to 2x plus 5 or x plus y is equals to 3. The equation of two lines are given and it is asked generally that please check whether these lines are perpendicular or they are parallel. So how can we check by just equation of a line? So there are certain conditions for that. For parallel lines, the gradient of both the lines should be equal. If there are two equations of a line and the gradients are equal, then the lines will be parallel. For perpendicular lines, the product of the gradient of both the lines, that is m1 into m2, it should be equals to negative 1. So that's these are the conditions for parallel lines and perpendicular lines. By using these conditions, we can check without a diagram that whether the lines are parallel or perpendicular. Or we can also modify this like m1 is equals to negative 1 over m2.
Okay.
Okay. So just a second, just a second. Just. Okay, I'm writing different question. Just a second. Okay, please check whether these lines are parallel or perpendicular or not. None of them means none condition is getting satisfied. 4. So now let me check for the second one as well. So 2y is equals to this negative 8x will become positive 8x on the other side. So y is equals to 8x over 2 plus 34 over 2. So y is equals to 4x plus 17 and the gradient of the second line is 4. So now you can see that the gradient of both the lines are equal. So this is the condition of parallel lines. It means that the lines will be parallel. Have you written this?
Yes, I have.
Okay.